Hi guys, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks and I'm just going to talk about the M Performance replica boot spoiler that we produced. So this part is a one-to-one replica of the genuine M Performance boot spoiler. So it is 100% pre-preg autoclave carbon. So this thing is as rigid and strong as you could possibly get. This is finished off in a nice high gloss lacquer. So as part of this kit, you will need a fitting kit, or at least you should, and that's something that we offer. We actually tell customers we would only sell it with fitting kit. So we use the genuine M Performance fitting kit, which is a genuine BMW part, and obviously it varies whether you've got an M3 or an M4. So this part does require a couple drills to be a couple holes to be drilled, both left and right. And as part of that, that then allows the fitting kit to be fitted on the underside. As part of this boot spoiler, you have the option of the M Performance sticker here. This is not permanent, we do put that on as a sticker, but we've replicated the genuine version. So if you like it, keep it on. If you don't, that's fine, it can be removed. But a really nice part, it really does set the real car apart from another standard M3 and M4. And something that, being honest, this is probably the most, I'd say, important part of the M Performance package. It really completes it. May not be for everyone, but we think it really does set it apart. So hope you enjoy the video.